right, so we're sneaking over to the pool. It's like 45 degrees. The wind is blowing. It's like 45 degrees.
Yeah, it's really cool.
It might be 30. It might be 30 degrees.
It's supposed to be like the wind blowing.
I know. I can't even see you. There's the moon. There's the moon. We're sneaking to the hot tub.
It's crazy.
I think we're gonna get pneumonia and die. I think we're gonna get pneumonia and die. We're in our bathing suits. It's ridiculous. Look at that moon. It's beautiful. How do you know they're not locked?
They might be locked.
They could be locked. Damn it. We're not sneaking anywhere. We're gonna get double pneumonia. The wind is like 400 miles an hour.
There's wind advisory.
There is a wind advisory. Holy shit. I apologize for this, but shit is cold. Oh my God. Be quiet. Look how bright the moon is. Look how bright the moon is.
We're gonna get in trouble.
Holy shit. We're probably gonna lose our memberships. This is the playground. Hey, you want to see a review of the park? There's the playground. It's a nighttime review. We're not gonna make it. Shh. Look at that pool. There's the guard right there. That's probably the cops. Shut up. Slow down. Slow down. Yeah, you're killing me.
It's cold.
You're gonna make me throw up. Slow down. This is ridiculous. This is making me sick. Woo. Look at the hot tub steaming.
How do you pull it?
I mean, son of a gun. Pull it up. Pull it up.
Are we leave out the house?
Yeah, we might be.
Do it. Yeah, but
No, it's locked. Damn it, it's locked. Son of a bitch. Are you serious?
You're gonna make me climb.
No, we're not doing that.
No, really.
I would have in my younger day. No, it's locked. Go around the other one.
I'll climb over there.
Yeah,
Here, seriously.
no, it's locked. Damn it.
You can't show that.
I am showing.
Those lights
It is
are-
beautiful. Why can't we go in that hot tub? It's steaming.
See the steam coming out.
No, that's locked.
Let me in.
They probably got an alarm that goes off. We should not act like kids. We got to be old people.
We tried.
We tried, Dawn. We tried.
I want it.
Hey, let's go. I know, it looks beautiful.
I want it.
Go over there and see if it opens up.
Okay.
Let's
How
go
do we
try
get
that
over
one.
there?
I don't know. Go that way. Shh. Be quiet. This is... Slow down. Slow down. You gotta slow down. I don't care if you're cold. It was your idea. Damn it. I'm cold too. It ain't gonna be open.
Pull it.
It says no, it's locked.
Look at the steam now.
Damn it. Oh man. There's the hot tub right there. Please let me in. Let me. There's the pool. Shit. Gosh. Oh, no, we're not climbing it. Back in the day, we would have, though. We would have. We would have. All right. We got to go back.
Okay.
We got to go back. We hope you find your Xanadu.